And we have driven by Alex and his brother. This is the Street Fighter LA spoiler. They even sent us a little windshield banner, so see how that is. It looks bigger than it. It looks smaller than it actually is. That's definitely going to be a long windshield banner.
Wait.
Teddy, your foot okay? Teddy, what you doing?
Yeah, it's waiting. It's waiting
The wind is blowing on my foot. Oh.
Fucked it up. I think it's more than one.
Oh shit, okay. Check it out, fam. We have the masters at work, Lorenzo and Alex. Got the Street Fighter LA spoiler on with the double-sided tape. Got Teddy.
I understand your car open every time you move by.
Literally.
My BMW is retarded, it doesn't do that. Leave it open and that's it.
They think I'm retarded because I park in handicap, but the car does that for me. Yeah, I say it's a feature.
Automatic.
It's These are the SPL arms, guys. All of that is pretty much, you know, hard surface on hard surface without the rubber bushings. Yeah. Oof, crazy in here. Perfect.
You're at the limit.
Literally at the limit.
Literally at the limit. After that we go civic stuff.
Look at this, guys. This is a Time Attack or Track Edition?
Track edition.
Track Edition GTR with the Nismo wheels. Did it come with the wheels, or this is from Japan? You bought the wheels as well? Shit.
Wheels.
You know, the wheels have appreciated. This is now double the value of what it used to be.
Yeah.
Crazy, man.
Brakes.
The brakes are carbon ceramics. Look at that. Is it open?
The cheap, no, it's
Oh.
the cheap sticker.
The cheap sticker.
Yeah. When you buy this sticker, they give you also one shirt.
The one shirt.
It's the most expensive
They say
shirt
you give 40,000, we give you sticker and a shirt, and you know 50,000 it says Underground Racing.
Yeah, 100,000 is T1 race.
T1.
And the turbos and the rest comes free. They don't charge you for that. No, theoretically you buy a t-shirt.
The turbos have extended warranty, I think. So we're definitely not going towards Miami. We're going towards West Palm Beach. I guess all the construction happens after midnight, or right after 11:30, I should say. Here we go. Sure why people have to slow down to 30 miles an hour. Yeah, that traffic is backed up, so I'm wondering what the hell is happening. singing the exhaust note. Is that the same AMG we saw? Maybe it's another one. Getting somewhere. This whole time we just needed to get on 95 North. I have no idea where Waze brought me. Is cutting up. Caught up to him. Bus in the left lane, always fun. Not. Damn, what the fuck are you doing? Crazy, absolutely crazy. Popo's at? Oh, he's on the freaking express lane. Let's go into all-wheel drive. Now let's see if we can handle the sport, the middle setting for the suspension. Maybe that's the sweet spot. That truck got in the left lane. That's the craziest shit of, like, I'm pretty sure trucks are not supposed to get in the left lane, but they just do it whenever they want in Florida. Donald Trump promised that everyone would get a check from Doge. That never happened. He promised we would get a check from the tariffs. That never happened. When are you gonna wake up and realize you're being lied to? And And for the most part, Elon Musk needs to go on trial. Donald Trump needs to go on trial. Pam Bondi needs to go on trial. Pete Hegseth needs to go on trial. Tom Homan needs to go on trial. Kristi Noem needs to go on trial. We have a confederacy of gay, white, Christian nationalists, and I say gay because Peter Thiel is like the fucking Antichrist who's the brains behind all of this, and he's gay as a motherfucker. Peter Thiel is the type of dude who has a 20-year-old boyfriend as a 50, 60-year-old man, and whenever that 20-year-old boyfriend gets too uppity, he has him killed. Peter Thiel has so much correspondence with Epstein that I don't understand how we don't just shame these people. You think the French are pussies, but they would have a general strike where the entire fucking country would stop working if they realized just what was in the Epstein files. But Americans are so fucking beholden to this system because they live paycheck to paycheck, they couldn't imagine standing up for their own rights. And that's all by design. So wake the fuck up. Make your money independently, and don't give a fuck about what the system labels you. Don't give a fuck about your permanent record as it applies to the system, because the system does not matter. The system we live in is an illusion. Be a shining example of how you can be a godly person and speak truth to power without having to kiss any fucking ass. That's what I would say. Go into stealth mode as we approach what could be a cop, what could not be a cop. But let's be honest, the police, and I can talk about this in many different angles. You think speeding tickets is really going to improve the quality of life and safety of people? Why do you think Germany doesn't have speed limits on many sections of their highway and has less accidents than we do? It's because they have respect, they have common sense, they know how to drive. So instead of enforcing laws that are on the books that don't even make sense, like the speed limit, when was the last time the speed limit changed? Do you know how powerful these cars are these days? Instead of helping people be better drivers, you just want to raise revenue by giving people speeding tickets. Like, that is the fallacy of the system. Let's talk about even the drugs that are in this country. Do you really think black people go out with ships and bring back crack to the hood? No, it's the fucking government. The CIA smuggles more cocaine and crack than anyone else. Like, all of this is by design. And when you see the people who join law enforcement, who go up in the ranks, they close in on each other. They basically look out for each other, and they feel like they're above the law, like they're a different class. No, really, you're just essentially a socialist. You're given a car paid for by the government. You're given a salary paid for by the government. You have immunity, which you shouldn't have. If you do something wrong, the actual people of the country have to pay for it out of our own taxes. It's ridiculous. The smartest people in this country don't go on to become, you know, senators, congressmen, things like that. They become, I shouldn't say they don't become senators and congressmen. They become basically businessmen, and they fuck over everyone else. We don't have a sense of civic duty in this country anymore. People become senators and congressmen so that they can create generational wealth for their families through corrupt methods and insider trading, and no one is held accountable. Let me be clear, it's only going to become harder to acquire wealth in this country. So the gap between those who are poor and those who are wealthy will continue to increase. And it's such a shame. But don't worry, the Dow Jones is at 50,000. But what they don't tell you is the value of the dollar has gone down so much, it doesn't matter how much the stock market goes up because your purchasing power has gone down. So what if the Dow is at $50,000 if the dollar has lost 20% of its value? It's all smoke and mirrors. Fourth gear pull. What a crazy car. Oh, big bounce. Look at that, that's crazy. What the fuck was that? Fucking SUV almost hit that fucking Toyota. Is so loud. Alright fam, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Catch you next time. Let's go.